Welcome back. Let's explore the frozen wonders of Antarctica, a land of hidden secrets, ancient ice, and unique wildlife that could unlock new insights about our planet's past and future. Antarctica is the southernmost continent on Earth, a land covered almost entirely by ice. It is unique in that it is not owned by any one country, but is governed by an international agreement called the Antarctic Treaty. This treaty ensures that the continent is used for peaceful purposes and scientific research, with no military activity or mineral extraction allowed. Antarctica is home to some of the harshest environmental conditions on Earth. Temperatures can drop to -80 degrees Celsius, and the region experiences months of darkness in winter and constant daylight during the summer. Despite its cold and inhospitable nature, the continent holds many secrets that scientists are still uncovering. The continent's ice sheet is massive, containing around 60% of the world's fresh water. If all the ice were to melt, it is estimated that global sea levels could rise by around 60 meters, drastically changing coastlines around the world. However, the ice sheet is not stable, and scientists are concerned about the effects of global warming on Antarctica's glaciers. Rising temperatures are causing some of the glaciers to melt at an accelerated rate, contributing to rising sea levels. Researchers are studying the ice to understand how it behaves and what might happen in the future as climate change continues to impact the planet. Beneath the thick ice, Antarctica hides many mysteries. Some scientists believe that the land beneath the ice could offer clues about Earth's distant past. Fossils and evidence of ancient plant life have been discovered under the ice, suggesting that Antarctica was once much warmer and had forests and animals, long before it became the frozen desert it is today. There is also evidence that deep beneath the ice sheet, there may be lakes of liquid water that have been isolated for millions of years. These lakes, like Lake Vostok, are considered extreme environments, and researchers hope that by studying them, they might find unique forms of life that have adapted to the harsh conditions, providing insight into how life could survive on other planets. The continent is not completely lifeless. While there are no permanent human inhabitants, there are a number of research stations where scientists from around the world live and work. These stations are scattered across the continent, with some located on the coast and others further inland. The research stations are used for studying the local environment, climate, and wildlife. In addition to human visitors, Antarctica is home to a variety of animals that have adapted to its extreme environment. Penguins, seals, and various species of birds are found here, as well as a range of microscopic life forms. The most well-known of the Antarctic animals are the penguins. There are several species of penguins that live in the region, including the emperor penguin, which is the largest and can withstand some of the coldest temperatures on Earth. These birds have developed a variety of adaptations to survive, such as huddling together in large groups to conserve warmth and using their thick layers of feathers for insulation. Seals are also common in Antarctica, and many species of seals are specially adapted to life in the icy waters. The Weddell seal, for example, spends much of its time in the ocean and is known for its ability to dive to great depths in search of food. Other species, like the leopard seal, are top predators in the Antarctic ecosystem, feeding on penguins and other animals. The waters surrounding Antarctica are rich in nutrients, supporting a variety of marine life, including krill, which form the base of the food chain. Krill are tiny crustaceans that serve as food for many larger animals, including whales. In fact, Antarctica is one of the best places in the world for whale watching, as various species of whales migrate to the waters around the continent to feed. The humpback whale, blue whale, and orca are among the most commonly seen whales in the Antarctic. One of the most interesting aspects of Antarctica is its role in global climate. The continent plays a crucial part in regulating the Earth's climate and weather patterns. The ice sheet acts as a giant reflector, bouncing sunlight back into space, and its surface is highly reflective, helping to cool the planet. Changes in the size of the ice sheet could have far-reaching effects on global weather. In addition, Antarctica's cold waters help drive global ocean currents, which play a key role in distributing heat and regulating temperatures around the world. If the ice sheet were to melt significantly, it could disrupt these currents, leading to unpredictable weather patterns and climate shifts. Scientists also study Antarctica because it is an ideal place to research climate change. Since the continent is so isolated and untouched by human activity, it provides a natural laboratory for understanding how the Earth's climate has changed over millions of years. Ice cores drilled from the ice sheet contain tiny bubbles of ancient air, which scientists analyze to study past atmospheric conditions. By examining these ice cores, researchers have been able to learn about the Earth's climate history, including periods of warming and cooling. This information helps scientists predict how the planet might respond to current and future climate changes. Antarctica is also a place of scientific exploration. Since the early 20th century, explorers have braved the harsh conditions of the continent in an effort to learn more about its environment. The most famous of these explorers were Ernest Shackleton and Robert Falcon Scott, who led expeditions to reach the South Pole. Shackleton's expedition is particularly well known for its dramatic story of survival after his ship was trapped in the ice. Scott's expedition, on the other hand, tragically ended in death when he and his team were unable to return after reaching the pole. Their stories have become legends of endurance and courage. Today, scientists from all over the world continue to work in Antarctica, studying everything from climate change to biology, geology, and astronomy. The continent's extreme conditions provide unique opportunities for research. For example, because Antarctica has little light pollution, it is an excellent place for observing the stars and conducting astronomical research. Some research stations in Antarctica are even equipped with telescopes to study the universe. The dry, clear air also makes the continent an ideal location for studying meteorites, which fall from space and can be found on the ice. Another secret of Antarctica is its potential as a source of valuable resources. While the Antarctic Treaty prohibits mining and oil drilling, there are vast mineral and energy resources under the ice that could be exploited in the future. However, extracting these resources would come with significant environmental risks. The icy landscape is extremely fragile, and any disturbance could have devastating effects on the local ecosystem. As a result, there is a strong global consensus to keep Antarctica protected from exploitation. One of the most pressing concerns about Antarctica today is its vulnerability to climate change. The warming of the planet is causing ice to melt at an accelerated rate, threatening to disrupt the delicate balance of the continent's ecosystem. The ice sheet is retreating, and some glaciers are moving more quickly into the ocean. If this continues, it could lead to significant sea level rise and disrupt global weather patterns. Scientists are closely monitoring the situation, using satellite data and ground-based research to track changes in the ice sheet and better understand how it is responding to warming temperatures. The fate of Antarctica will have major implications for the future of the planet, making it one of the most important regions to study in the fight against climate change. Antarctica's remoteness and the harshness of its environment have made it difficult to study in detail, but advancements in technology are helping scientists gain new insights into the continent. Remote sensing, satellite imaging, and autonomous drones are now being used to gather data from places that were once inaccessible. These technologies are helping researchers understand the dynamics of the ice sheet, track wildlife populations, and monitor changes in the environment. As our understanding of Antarctica grows, it becomes increasingly clear that this mysterious continent plays a critical role in the health of our planet. Its ice, wildlife, and even its hidden lakes hold valuable information that could help us better understand the Earth's climate, its history, and its future. Antarctica is a land of secrets, many of which are still waiting to be uncovered. It is a place of extreme conditions, remarkable wildlife, and important scientific discoveries. From its frozen ice sheets to its hidden lakes and unique ecosystems, the continent offers valuable insights into the Earth's past, present, and future. As global warming continues to threaten the planet, Antarctica's role in regulating climate and sea levels becomes ever more crucial. While the continent remains largely untouched by human activity, it is a place of great interest and importance, and its secrets are still being revealed by scientists who continue to explore its icy depths. The study of Antarctica is not only important for understanding the continent itself, but also for gaining insights into how we can protect our planet for future generations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to stay updated on more amazing discoveries from the world's most mysterious continent.